My chainmail shirt is 1,000 rings, each one a perfect treasured moment, frozen in time, lost yet brightly alive still. The rush of wind over the broad feathered back of a condor, my heart soaring with her into the limitless blue. Weeping on my knees in the woodshed as goodness washes over and through me, destroying me, while the wood chips leave their rough stories in my skin. My sword, my great sword, is tempered and blessed by her kind eyes, calling me home again and again and again, our lives woven together like gossamer, sharing the simple precious joy of being, of loving, of living. You shall not pass. I raise my shield to meet the dark, the tumbling